Welcome back to our homestead property. Today we have some big things going on. Behind me, we've got someone on a skid steer and they're fixing the grading around our house to get the water away from the house. I'm so glad they're here and glad you're here watching too.
Construction is starting. Okay, all of this is gonna look different today. Getting up the sod there. Looking good, looking good.
That's the way to do it.
Make sure it's not got any rebar attaching it to. Look at it. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Got all in one piece. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. That is awesome. You mean those sparks weren't gonna hit us?
I feel the ground moving.
Got it.
Got it.
Look at that.
That's so scary. He's doing a back-o wheelie.
Here you go, watch. Okay, coming in for that second one.
That piece will be easy for you, Dad, to move.
Woo! Got it.
Bye-bye. And roly-polies.
Look, he's playing Jenga.
That's the heaviest Jenga that could. That's the Jenga that could kill you. And stop. Don't worry, there's a step.
It's okay. We'll be just fine.
But that will still be a bit useful, right, Mom? That white thing is just I cannot find it.
Be able to save this big piece of patio and put it right here where the new front door will be, and then take these two pieces and have a sidewalk that'll come out. And the exciting part is that's gonna all happen today. What's cool about that is we'll be able to take our groceries from the van all the way into here and then go right through to the kitchen, and it'll be super easy and super awesome. Quick update, we've got the patio and sidewalk in place, and we're adding some more dirt around here to slope it all away. It's looking really great, isn't it? Look at that. It's a major difference, isn't it? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What it was doing before is it was just coming up and going back. But now it's just gonna go right down the hill. That's wonderful. Well, the next step we have to do for this project is just watch how it all settles. See where the rain puddles, if anywhere, and then we can fix that up. Then our plumber, the guy who did all this, he said he has a land rake. He can come and till up the ground. We can plant grass seed and get it going. But look at this work. I'm so thankful for all of this work. It's amazing. It looks like we have a totally different house. And this is really gonna help all of the water get away from the house and future-proof this property.
Make sure to like and subscribe to our next video. We build a moat around our house.
That'd be awesome.